Greetings and welcome to this training video about how to use Resend emails when unopened intro. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the new Resend to unopened emails feature in the marketing campaign section. Now, this is really amazing because this way you can really increase your engagement in the emails, meaning your open rate can increase and your click-through rate will increase, which means more money for you. So when more people open your email, you get a lot more eyeballs on your content. If that content is really good and it resonates with your audience, then they click on your link and then they get forwarded to the payment section or further to the landing page. Let me show you how to do that. So you want to hover over to marketing on the left, emails at the top, click on campaigns. You will see this page popping up, which shows you all your campaigns. Select the campaign which you want to resend, click on the three dots on the right over here. And you can see the new feature popping up here, Resend email to unopened. Now, here you can see that the email has been sent just after midnight on the 30th of March, right? So you can resend emails after 12 hours up to 10 days. I think 12 hours is a really good window because we've been resending emails after 12 hours, and it's turned out to be really profitable. So let's add another 12 hours here. That's done. Why would you want to do that? Sometimes the email gets sent in the middle of the night, depending on the time zone where people are, right? Sometimes people's inbox is really busy and they just don't see your email. That's when the subject line comes into play, right? You've already sent that email the first time, and it didn't catch their attention in their busy email inbox. So you want to make sure that your subject lines are really curiosity enticing, which makes them go stop, catches their attention, clicks on it, because a catchy subject line will increase your open rate. So that's the first step, right? So make sure your subject line is really catchy. In this case, we want to change it to your login details, for example, right? And then they may go, oh, what kind of login details are those? I didn't purchase anything. And shoopsie boop, you already have them inside your email and their eyeballs on your copy. Now you need to make sure that your copy actually connects to the subject line. You do not want to spam your people or clickbait your people. You want to make sure that what you said in the subject line actually makes sense in the copy as well. If the copy resonates with them, then your click-through rate also will increase, which will help you to increase your revenue. So let's confirm and schedule this for now. Now you can see the scheduled email right here. Please note the Resend to unopened emails does not work for RSS campaigns or batch sending. Where can you find this? If you go into a campaign, see those different options right here. So the Send Now and the Schedule feature, those first two here, these are the two features where you can utilize the Resend to unopens. For the batch schedule and the RSS schedule, it's not available. Also, please note as a business owner or marketer, you should be knowing when to utilize the Resend to unopen and when it's better not to. For example, if you run launches and if people signed up specifically for a promotional event, they already expect tons of emails to come in. Then it's really okay to keep resending to the unopens and to try, was it a time, or was it a subject line? However, I wouldn't highly recommend it to overuse the feature when it comes to like an evergreen newsletter, where you send a newsletter 2 times, 3 times a week. Because people are just in a different mood, right? People who signed up for your promotion event, they are just prepared. Okay, the sale is going to come or the promotion is going to come. And they are in it for it. They want to receive those emails. On a side note, very soon you will also be able to set up resend options in advanced settings when scheduling or sending that original email. Look out for this feature on the Send or Schedule screen. This will be approach number 2 for resending emails when opened. And lastly, very soon you will also have the analytics of the original send and the resend email linked. Thanks for listening to this video about how to use resend emails when unopened intro. For more videos like this, or to make a request for additional training videos, please go to the main menu and add a comment ticket.